Today we are trying to resemble a leopard. We are applying pancake batter to the outside of our eyelids.
Okay, what are we doing now?
A makeup tutorial, brother. Come on now.
Hey you, welcome to my channel. I'm Divine Mix. Today I am doing my makeup because my hair is in braids and I have none other than
Emperor Nonya. Turn the TV off. Turn the TV off.
So lead the way, Emperor Nonya. What are we doing?
Today we are trying to resemble a leopard. What else? And thumbs up, yeah.
What's the first step?
A couple shots of vodka, applied to the face.
That's gonna just dry out your face.
First of all, there's lots of membranes in the face for us to absorb it through, and it's not about drying out our face, it's about drying out our souls.
Do you know why we put on the facial oil?
Because their skin dry.
Okay, what are we doing next?
Application of makeup is better with the oil palettes, just like when you paint walls. Right?
So what are we doing here?
We are applying pancake batter to the outside of our eyelids.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that way, and then here.
And now we are drawing in our missing eyebrow.
It's only partially missing.
No problem. It's coming back in though. Don't worry. Soon come.
Do you have any tips for how to do a really nice eyebrow?
Of course. If you can smell what the rock is cooking, you are more than viable for this package.
Okay, so I'm adding in some gel to kind of even it out because I am missing part of my eyebrow.
Don't worry, it's not noticeable. Especially when we point it out with our fingers.
I was actually pointing out that we are just going to focus on the eyes right quick. You know what we're doing right here?
More pancake batter.
We are warming up the eyes.
Bro, if it's leftovers, it's leftovers.
No, we warm up the eyes so that way we can have some depth into it.
Oh, I'm falling right into them. Oh my, this is quite explicit.
So what are we doing here?
More pancake batter. I don't know what we're going for. I know that we're looking like Halloween pumpkins now. I love this orange look, this color. The Bengals are a great team in the NFL. Thank you for representing.
It's a warm shade. We're working with like warm shades right now.
Oh, I see.
We want to create texture and depth.
In Jamaica, a warm gal is an ugly gal, but hey, be warm. My goodness, you're beating this face up.
I'm blending.
Ah.
Okay, so what are we putting on now?
Hold on, let me see where the application is going.
We're still on eyes.
Highlighter. Eye highlighter.
So it's actually concealer. We're using that to like lighten the base so that way we could hopefully put a
fade into it. I saw the next thing go into. I'm moving on to the next one. I moved on. Okay,
a pop of color.
A pop of color. There we go. Right. And this is also more concealer.
No, the green is not concealer.
Okay. All right. No problem. I was testing you. No. You tell me what it is.
Can you guess? Give me 3 options for what you think it is.
A color. A palette and a shade.
You got that right. It's an eyeshadow shade, yeah.
There we go. Oh, I see what you're going for now.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I see where it's developing to.
So what do you think of this green?
It's quite like, I'm very averse to color. I'm a dark person myself. But yeah, I'm liking it.
So the main thing
is that the middle of your face looks like a butterfly? Yes.
No, it's just so we have to make sure that we blend it out. So I'm using like a flat-headed brush to blend out the edges a bit better.
Construction work on your face is crazy.
You know what I'm doing here?
Applying mascara. No, eyeliner. Yeah. See? I'm learning.
You know this one.
Of course I do. It's foundation. No, hold on, not foundation. Hold on. It's blush. No. Makeup. It's makeup.
So it was concealer, and now look, we're adding a bit of shine to it. You know what these are. You have to know what these are.
Let's see where it's being applied to.
The face.
I think we've been there the whole time. It's a dot. It's a dot.
It's rhinestones. You know, like bedazzling everything. We're bedazzling our face.
I'm going way back to the 2000s. You heard? Apple bottom jeans with the boots with the fur.
No, these are so hard to put on, especially the smaller they are.
I realize that's most of female fashion. The more difficult it is, the more you want it, and the more you'll complain. Ladies, get those pumps in for the season. You heard?
Okay, so you see how that looks?
Yes.
It's nice, right?
Of course, looking like an avatar.
And now what are we doing now? You know this one too, because
Connecting with nature. Because it's black? Okay, all right, no problem. This is wingtips.
Are we doing a good job with the wingtips?
We're doing a great job with the wingtips.
And what's this?
Shouts out to my Chinese food store, you heard, in New York City. The wingtips was crazy. Yeah, sorry. Well, this is a brush.
What was on the brush? What's this?
Makeup. Yo, we're moving on. Lip liner.
So I don't know if you could see this, right? But every time I put on lip liner, I feel like it gets dehydrated a bit. So I'm going to add just a bit of lip balm before I put on anything else.
Shouts out to the women in the 80s and 90s. Y'all weren't afraid to use your saliva. Eye infections for days.
Okay, what are we doing now?
A makeup tutorial, brother. Come on, now.
Lead me through it.
We're blending into our eyes, brother. Yeah, because the same color that was used above, so below.
It's a different color.
Why are you... Stop correcting me in public.
It's behind closed doors.
With this makeup, the doors are open for you. Your hair.
And then this one.
Our artisanal palette. One that can be found within the woods of artisanal. A woodlands in the Paris, in Paris. Envy, or what all my enemies feel for me.
I'm adding lashes if you can't tell.
I can tell they are magnetic strips.
They're not.
Which would you can fly.
They're glue strips.
That just brings us back to our ancestors.
They're glue strips.
Magnetic strips of adhesive.
So
I like this girl. She's so positive.
So I have only one, and I'm putting it on the edges so that way it makes my eyes fan out and look a bit more open. So it makes my eyes look a bit bigger. I think that's the point of lashes, to make your eyes look bigger, so more awake.
I thought it was a track man. But okay, I will take it. Yo, you put on this face. This looks really nice.
Right?
Yeah. All right, now that we're looking like a butterfly and we're ready to rock.
I'm just pushing it up. I had like a little bit of a hard time with lashes. I don't do that. But clusters are way easier to work with. You see how it fans out?
Ooh, look at her.
And now we're just adding in
lip gloss.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
Oh. you already know. I'm popping.
So what do you think of our whole face?
Tell little mama be proud. And now we're putting in the baby hairs. We know who we out here trying to track. The sugar daddies. Shouts out to Sexy Red. I just got my Hoochie Daddy shorts ready for next summer.
So
Right, they still be in style. She's in style.
What do you think?
Amazing. I'll give it a... Oh, all right. I was going to say 8.9, but with that smile and giggle, 9.3.
Whatever. It's really good. I like the bedazzle. Really, I like the blending.
Divine Mix, all in the mix. And this has been Emperor. Please come back again. I got bills to pay.